Welcome back. My name is Palaj Vishwa, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering. And today is my lecture number 8, and under the subject of materials handling, and also today discuss according to this the classifications of materials handling equipments. And you can see just like the materials handling equipments. That is the first is required to know the what is the materials handling equipment. Basically, the during to the materials handlings, the different type of equipment is required during the transfer of materials from this the one place to the another place. Then you have to consider according to your the transfer of materials the proper way, from this the one station to the another station, just like your the shape of your materials, and also the low cost, this will be transferred from this the one industry to the another industry. Then you have to use the different type of equipments during to your the reduce your the transportation cost also. This will be considered according to your the materials handling equipments. And basically the manufacturing process involved and types, like the designs of machines and plants in operations are uh, innumerable. Consequently, the variety of materials handling equipment and systems used in industry is also very large in number and diverse in concept, and designs will be here. Now equipments are being designed and the manufactured continuously will be considered. Suppose you can see that this different type of manufacturing equipment is the given in this the picture. You can see that like your the forklift tracks will be given here. It is the two forks will be mounted on this forklift trucks in the inside in front of this, and also you have to use during toward the vertical and horizontal movements of this type of materials. Then you have to use this like a forklift trucks. And another things you can see, this is the like your the first figures you have to consider. This is the this will be concentrated according to the hydraulic equipment. This is the transfer of materials from this one place to the another place. And second picture will be here, that is the red color will be given. Suppose you are the this system you have to use for your the vertical movement to this the upward directions will be used. Then like your the not powers will be required during to the transfer of materials for this the vertical movement. Basically this will be used for this the soft floor of your this materials transformation, just like your the vertical movement of the bottom to up. And your the third number of figures you can see that like your the yellow colors, and you have to concentrate according to this. This will be also used for your the manually movements of this material, like your the vertical movements up and down. Then during your the soft force of materials, and also the bulky type of materials will be movements by this type of equipments. And also the number four numbers is here. This is the four wheel vehicles will be considered according to this, that like your the in the soft floor you have to transfer these materials, and in putting on this type materials, the on this uppermost portions will be here. And again you have to transfer your materials, like your the soft floor of the one station to this the another station. Suppose the different industries, just like your the production industry, as like as your the not only for production industry, and during your the packaging places also used to this type of equipment, like your the number 4 is the top right corners will be considered. This equipment is used to regulate the transfer of materials from one place to this another place. And another things you can see, the bottom the left corner, this equipment is here. During to this type of equipment you have to holding of this materials properly, and also this is the transfer of materials properly. And the middle of here, like your the bottom middle corner here, this will be transferred, just like your materials movement will become from your the vertical height. And the right bottom corner, this figures will be considered according to your the forklift trucks. Two forks will be given, and also this is the use for your this forklift truck, like your the vertical and horizontal, and also the vertical and horizontal movements will be come during your the forklift trucks. And the classifications of various handling equipments is here. The classification based on the following basis types of equipment will be followed, which is in line with that followed by many practitioners and authors will be used during your the classifications of your the materials handling equipment. You can consider it according to your the industrial vehicles or trucks. Just like your the what is your industrial vehicles? Basically, the we have to transfer your materials. The different type of vehicles is used. Suppose your the trucks is used. Now this will be transfer this materials the on the long distance from the on station to the another station. You have to very easily transfer your materials through your the industrial vehicles. Just like your the truck is used. Then suppose your we can see the different type of solid particles that like your the stone chips and also your the sands and also your the rod and also the different plywoods and the all types of materials can be transferred that like your the industrial vehicles or trucks. And as few cases we can see that this type of vehicles is used inside of a industry, and a few cases this is the use through this the both way that like your the industry and as well as the inside industry or the outside industry you can be used like your the industrial vehicles or trucks. And this vehicles or trucks is the proper way maintaining. There is the no losses is found during to your the transfer of materials from this the one place to the another place through your the industrial vehicles or trucks. And another second thing is considered according to your the conveyors that like your the conveyor is used during the inside of your materials and inside of your plants. Then you have to transfer your materials the automatically then on bunker to this the another bunker. Basically this conveyor is used a different type of conveyor is used just like your the belt conveyor. Belt conveyor is basically used at the different power plant also. Suppose your the coal is handled from the one place to this the another place just like your the one bunker to the another bunker. Similarly this conveyor is used just like your the belt conveyor is used for your the automatics, and there is the no manually transfer is required and like your the organ stapler is available, and during to your the organ stapler your pole will be uploaded on this on your conveyors, and again this conveyors will be belt conveyor is the follow your materials through this the whole places according to your the requirements will be considered. And another concentrations will be here just like your the production industry. Your the mass productions will be done during to your the system. Then your bed will be convey or the bed will be transfer your this the product that like your product elements will be always required for your the transfer from the production place. Then these productions places to transfer your materials through your the belt conveyor, and also this will be reaching to your the that like your final steps, and also this is the pickup on from your the remove from this the type of remove this materials after this the end of your beds. Then this will be one people will be required to the standing here. And another thing is considers the hoisting equipment. This hoisting equipment also is required like your the different type of materials is hoist on the different way that like your the crane hooks is used that like your the hoisting equipments, and also material is transferred through this the one place to this the another place. During to your the loading and unloading time different hooks will be used for your the hanging conditions on your materials and hoisting of your materials. Then you have to very easily transfer your material through your the hoisting equipments. And the bulk handling equipments systems will be considered. Suppose your the bulky type of materials will be transferred from your the one place to the another place through the bulk handling equipment systems like your the bin systems, and also the different cart systems is also will used, and also your the conveyor systems, and also the different piping systems also will be used during your the transfer of materials like your the bulk handling equipments will be considered. And another things is here the robotic handling systems will be the another classification of robotic handling system. Those places the man are not works properly, then your the robot is the handle your materials properly, and also the repeated jobs can be done during by your the robotic handling system. There is the no human beings can done during to your the repeated works, but your the robot is can be handled properly during to your the repetitive works will be here. And another things is the container and supports will be required during to your the classification of materials handling equipments, because your the different type of container is used to transfer of materials from the one place to the another place is the safely, and also the proper way also will be transferred in your container and support system. Is another thing is the auxiliary equipment will be used like your the materials handling equipment is here. And in the above classifications the transportation equipments group has been excluded However, it is to be noted that some of the roads and railroads transportation equipments may be often be used as common materials handling equipment inside a large industry or construction sites also will be considered according to your the transfer of materials. Basically, the construction sites you have to transfer your the large type of materials. Because of your the suppose the buildings will be constructed, but your buildings will be required for your the so much sands also will be here, and also the mass quantity of cements will be required, mass quantity of this the stone chips is required, the bulk amounts of rods also will be required for this will be used for your the handling the equipment is considered. Suppose you are the industrial vehicles, that like you can see this is the industrial vehicles or trucks, and these are manual or power driven vehicles suitable for movement of mixed or unitized loads will be considered intermittently, where the primary function is transporting. Basically, your the industrial vehicles is used, industrial vehicle or trucks, this will be the primarily used for your the transportations from this the one station to this the another stations. And another things will be considered that during the this is the very easily handled, and for this the inside of industry the different type of roads rail will be constructed during toward the transport of your vehicles properly. There is the no difficulties is comes during suitable for the movement of mixing or ununitized loads will be here. Suppose you the one industrial vehicles, you have to transfer the different type of the mixing materials can be transferred the one times. What this will be not will be more movements will be required. This will be transport the one way, and sometimes we can see this is the customers. This will be reached from the production house up to the your dealers or your the suppliers. Then you have to reaching to this materials the proper way by through your the industrial vehicles or trucks. The another things, the biggest trucks is the physically moved the along with the loads from the one point to another point is considered via a flat or the slightly inclined routes will be considered. You can see that this will be figures is given, and also during toward the some flats and also the slightly inclined routes will be considered. This classification excludes highway vehicles. That like your the highway vehicles, we can see the different movement from this one place to the another place. Then we can see the different type of highway vehicles. You can see the suppose you are the different type of logs, and also the bulk type of materials. Suppose you are the plaster of Paris will be transferred from this the one place to the another place. It's like you the different comparative to your the different highway vehicles, and also the railroad cars, the marine and the carriers and the aircrafts also will be used during toward the industrial vehicles or trucks or the concentration. Suppose you are the cars. Railroad cars means the you have to consider according toward the Malgadi. The Malgadi also will be considered according to the rail organ. Organ will be transferred. Your the bulky quantity of materials like your the coal, like your the your stone chips, your sands, and also the your different foods grains also will be transferred from the one station to the another station, and also reaching to this the proper way. There is the no difficulties is comes during to your the suppose your the marine carriers and aircraft. Suppose your the marine is used during toward the your industrial vehicles is reaching to your the your port area. That like your the port area is the first comes during to your materials on this port area, and again this will be required for the loading and unloading on this ships shipment or the marine. Then this will be transferred. Suppose your the different different transportations will be done during your the different shipments, but your the port area we have to require for your the industrial trucks or vehicles during your the transfer of materials from this the port to this the markets, and also market to the ports. This will be reaching is essential during your the transfer of materials from the port to port to markets, and the market to ports, and also the port to production hubs, and also production hub to your the ports will be reaching, that like your the marine carriers and the aircrafts. And another things will be considered according to your the conveyors. The different conveyors is here. You can see the like your the conveyors. These are gravity or powered equipments will be here, commonly used for moving bulk or unit loads continuously or intermittently unidirections from one point to another over the fixed path, whereas the primary functions is conveying of the materials by the help of movements of some parts, that like the components of the equipment is here. The equipment as the whole does not move is here. You can see the during toward the one is considered according to the belt conveyor. This like your the temporary and also the portable belt conveyors is figure is given here. Suppose your belt conveyor is required during toward the loading and unloading places, then you have to use to this type of belt conveyor is here. And another things is here, like your the conveyor belt will be required for the long length. You have to transfer your materials, that like your the mass production, that like your the batch production, that like your the different power plant industry, power plant industry you can use during to the this type of conveyor is here. And another things is here, the different type of conveyor is available, that like your the belt conveyor, that like your the belt conveyor, roller conveyor, and also the tube conveyor you can see, and a different type of conveyor system is available. And suppose the this will be the roller conveyor is given here, like your the roller conveyor. This roller is used for the one by one, and also your the materials will be movement from this your the one place to the another place. Then you have to use to your the roller conveyor. And the roller conveyor maybe two types will be here, that is the one is power roller conveyor, another is the non-power roller conveyor. Suppose you have the power roller conveyor, you have to consider this roller will be rolled, and also you have to given during toward the power, and also this roller movements will be considered, and also your equipment is placed, or the your materials is placed on this the roller. Then this will be given to this the motion from this the one roller to the another roller, and your materials is the movement for your the forward directions. And suppose your unpowered roller, then you have to given your this material, then you have to pushing force will be applied on this your roller, and during to your the roller also will be moved from this the one roller to the another roller. Then this will be movement properly. Then again this will be given to this motion for the forward roller, and then this roller will be goes to the another roller, and similarly these rollers will be convey motions, and your this particles will be movement for your the next position. Similarly, the one by one you have to place your particles, and also your packaging materials. Then this packaging materials is the given to motion for this the forward direction, and again this will also will be given forward direction, and again this will be reaching to your the materials the proper destination also. And suppose your the roller conveyor, this is the not the much excess labor is required, and basically the two people will be used for your the transfer of materials, then like your the roller conveyor. One will be placed those places, this will be used on the starting positions, and another people will be standing for this the end position. This is the one people will be required for this the loading, and the another people will be required for unloading. In the loading places, this will be pulling force is the applied on this, and again the unloading places, this is the only standing here, and also this is the pick up your materials the proper way. And this will be the continuous process is done during your the transfer of materials through your the roller conveyors. And another is the pipeline conveyors also will be considered according to this conveyor system. During to your the pipeline conveyors, the through the pipe the different type of liquids will be transferred from this one place to this another place. Just like your the hydraulics conveyors also will be considered that during to your the pipeline conveyor is considered. Suppose the pneumatic conveyors also will be considered according to your the pipeline conveyors is here. That like your the pneumatic conveyors, the air is considered according to your the working fluids, and also the different dust or the small size of particles can be movements through the different pipelines, and also this air is used during to or the transfer of materials from this the one place to this another. Suppose your the cyclone separator will be required, and also the filterization procedures also will be required during to transfer of this the pneumatic conveyor systems. And hoisting equipments, these equipments are generally utilized to lift and lower and moves unit, and varying loads intermittently will be considered according to this the hoisting equipments. Basically this will be considered according to hoist of your materials, that like your the required for this the liftings, and lowerings will be considered according to your the movement of materials. And another things is the varying load intermittently, and between points within an area known as the reach of equipment will be considered according to your the movement of your the hoisting equipments. And where the primary function is transforming will be considered. Suppose your the this bottom right corners figures, you can see that that type of hoist is mounted on this, and also during to this hoist, this will be required for your the transformings, that like your the materials from your topmost portion, but during to this type of hoist is used during to the movement of materials, but there is the no extra efforts will be required, just like the there is the lower parts not will be or the floor is the not your occupied the transferring of your materials from this the one place movement of this materials, then this will be advantages will be considered according to your the transferring of primary function is considered according to your the hoisting equipments. And hoisting equipment may also be mounted on a powered vehicles will when the movement of the lifted loads is not limited within the fixed area of operations is considered according to your the movement of air. And the left figures, you can see that like your the crane, and basically the crane is used like your loading unloading conditions, and also because the transforming from your materials is this vertical side will be considered according to your the movement of materials. Basically the crane, the different type of crane is used like your the in the port area. The port area, basically this will be considered according to your the loading and unloading of your materials. And during to your the shipments also will be considered. Suppose your the this will be the long distance, and also the fixed place fixed the places or the pillar type pillar type of crane is used during to the hosting equipments, and like your the port area. And a few cases that during to unloadings from your the trucks, industrial trucks, then you have to use during to your the this type of hoisting equipment, just like your the crane. And robotic handling system, basically the specially designed robots are increasingly being used in materials handling applications is considered according to your the robotic handling system. Basically the robotic handling system, the robot is used when the human being is not work done your the properly, and also required for your this the work that like the repeated works will be done during to this the human beings. This is the very boring jobs will be done by this your the human beings, then these jobs cannot be properly maintained by these human beings, then this will be introduced by your robots. And just like your the being used in materials handling applications, the particularly in loadings and unloading of job of the to and from a machines or machining cell is considered according to your the robotic handling systems. And another things is considered according to the containers and supports. This will be given the containers and support. The classification generally includes all type of secondary device and aids which are utilizing for storing and the unitizing and the movement of materials is the comes during to your the transfer of materials, that like your the container and supports is given. And another things is here the different type of pressure, different type of pressures is given, that like your the different the container and support systems will be given. And tight, this will be considered according to your the tight and loose will be here, that like your the closed and open top containers will be considered according to your the containers and support systems is here. The platforms and coil supports, the platforms and coil supports and different different securements and here that like such as strapping and is considered according to your the different containers, and also your the supports will be considered according to your the strappings. And another things the sinus the chain ropes, the cables with the tighteners will be here, that like your the chain rope cables is with the tighteners. And also the bulk heads will be considered, that like your the bulk type of materials, and also the dunnage etc. is here are example of the secondary device, and aids will be considered according to your the different type of containers and supports will be here. And auxiliary equipment, that like your the auxiliary equipment is considered the a large number of equipments and the attachments which cannot be classified under above heads but are frequently used independently also will be considered according to your the auxiliary equipment. Basically this auxiliary equipment is considered according to your the beam systems is the considered, and also the different drums will be used during to your the auxiliary equipment is here. Basically the different beam systems and also the different drums will be considered, like the different gated systems is the considered according to your the auxiliary equipment will be considered, that like your the transfer of materials from this the one place to the another place. And another the right figures you can see that like your the different type of pipelines will be given, that this pipelines is used for the different type of materials, and also the different bin is used that like the transfer of materials for power. There is the no damage or the no problems will be created during your the transfer of materials from the one place to this the another place, just like your the auxiliary equipments. And sub classifications of handling equipments is here. The major sub classifications and some of the common individual equipment under these sub classifications are the mentioned in the following list is coming here, that like the industrial vehicles or trucks, that like the non-powered and powered will be considered, that like the industrial vehicles and trucks will be considered according to this the two way of this classification, the non-power and powered. Suppose your the few cases will be transferred, that like your the industrial vehicles, and suppose your the two-wheel hand trucks will be transferred from your this materials from the on place to the another place, but this will be considered according to your the non-power, and the only manual power will be given, and also the power is considered according to your the which will be transferred during to your the power, just like your the trucks the tractor rail, this will be considered the powers. And the one non-power is considered the dolly, forklift trucks, and the wheelbarrow, and also the front end trucks also will be considered according to your the industrial vehicles, that like the non-power, there is the no power will be required, that like your the transfer of materials from this one place to the another place. And also the two-wheel hand trucks, that these two-wheel hand trucks will be this is the scene for all students, that like your the different railway stations, that like your it is evenly seen or the rail Shialda station, that like your the Noihati station, Howrah, the very easily the transfer of materials through your the two-wheel hand trucks, and also the two wheel is used, and also the on narrow axle will be considered, and also handle is mounted is here. These materials will be loaded on side of this two-wheel hand trucks, and again this will be movement friendly during to the soft core, and one people will be pulling, another people is the pushing will be concentrated according to the heavy loaded of materials will be transferred from one place to the another place. Another things will be here, like the narrow axle trucks is the concentrated according to your the concentrates according to your the non-power of vehicles is here. And another things the four-wheel hand trucks and is the considered, that like your the four-wheel hand trucks, the pallets, box, and the skids is considered according to your the four-wheel hand trucks, that like your the box is the considered, that like is the pallets, and this is the boxes types is here, and this is the transfer of materials without load power is given, and this is the basically the different platforms we can see, that like your equipments, platform trucks special, like your the 5 is considered according to the platform lift trucks, and a few cases we can see that like your the platform lift trucks, and only your equipments is the pushed on your the platform lift trucks, and then this is the movement is very easily, and like we can see the different fruit seller in the different type of railway stations, we can see that this type of truck is used. And another things the trucks, and also the hand lift jack truck is used, that like your the hand lift jack trucks, the reach truck is counts here, that like your that reach trucks, pallets, and the 7 side loader trucks is here, the 7 loader truck, the 7 side loader trucks, and also the skids, the it is the straddle trucks is the out riggers is comes here, and the special and another things is considered according to your the straddle carrier is comes during to your the classifications. And another things is that the lift table, and 6 is the lift table, and 7 is considered the 10 is here, that like is the walkie, and the walkie you have to use during to as a materials handling equipments. And also the semi live kite is considered, like the semi lives. Another is the tractor tail Tailors is used during to the materials handling equipment. Industrial car is used as the equipments. The mine or quarry car is used, and another the furnace and oven car is considered according to the transport of materials. And track road, this will be used for your these roads, and also the locomotive. This is the considered according to the power of equipments. Next class can discuss the conveyors. Classifications of conveyors is here. Thank you, students.